Hi friends, I'm Sirisha and I'm here to share with you engineering of wet grinder. I'm damn sure most of the houses have wet grinders and especially in South India it is must because of our popular dishes being dosa, idli, vada, appam, etc. Proud to say this is an Indian invention and is developed in Coimbatore, the place where I stay currently. Let me take you to the journey of wet grinder. So this is our traditional wet grinder stone. Here is a simulation to show how really it operates. So this is static and the rotating stone will be moved in this fashion so that the food grains will be will be grinded here to a paste. So this is the first design of the wet grinder. It's a huge drum with a electrically operated motor under this, and there is a grinding stone in between. So you can see the main uh, drawbacks of this design is like it is very heavy and lifting and cleaning will be a tedious process. Then evolved our tabletop grinding wet grinder. So you can see how simple and compatible this system is. So we have a grinding chamber here containing cylindrical stones freely mounted, and beneath is a circular stone. So which the wet grinder that we see, we come across all these parts in the external view, like like I said, the grinding stones, chamber, etc. But what really is helping this to operate? Yes, there should be the heart of the system, and proud to say that heart of the system is a mechanical element, belt drive. So now it's time to learn about how our belt drives are helping this entire system to be more easier and able to do in the absence of human intervention. So this is mechanical drive. It's a very flexible machine element and it absorbs significant amount of shocks and vibrations. As all of you know, the primary function of this belt drive is for the transmission of power from the source. In this case, the power source is motor. So I know most of you will be very interested to see how the interior looks. Yes, here is the dismantled one. So when you just unscrew and remove the outer housing of this motor, you can see a motor and a belt drive system. So this assembly is the heart of the whole system, and we have a capacitor to have a proper control of the electricity flow into the motor, and we do have a on off switch, right? So these are the main components which will play a major role for having our grinding machine operating with a very less human intervention. The usually induction motor that we use here is a high torque induction motor with 150 to 180 watts and the speed ranging from 800 to 1000 rpm. The capacitor that we use here is around 400 to 440 volts as per 2993 standards, and we do have a timing belt which is mounted around the wheel here, and we have on off switch. So let's see what are the commonly occurring repairs and what could be the immediate remedies for that. The commonly occurring repairs are like the stuck of bear shaft. So why exactly this happens? This is because of the bearing problem, right? So people will come saying that though the motor is operating, it is not able to rotate the grinding chamber. That is mainly because of the accumulation of the dirt, etc. in the ball bearings. Okay, this usually happens because of the over cleaning process, and the repair the solution for this is just replacement of the bearings. And at times there occurs some repair in the on off switch. This could be mainly because of the electric connections. And yes, as we use the belt timer belt here, there may be a case after certain amount of usage, the elasticity of this elastomer may reduce. We know that elastomers after aging the elasticity could reduce. So either you can go for replacement of this timer belt or else adjustment of the location of the motor. Okay, then we do have a capacitor. At times there can be another complaint like the system is quite fine at no load conditions, but on loading it is not able to, the motor is not being operated. There for sure the motor is fine. The issue could be with the capacitor. It may not be giving the right amount of wattage to the motor. So these are the quite few repairs that may be expected after a period of using, after over a period of using. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you to understand what really are the engineering uh, knowledge being applied to our home appliances, and what are the main components that we need to take care in this system. If you are in, thank you very much for your time, and here is my channel Science Magic. Please wait for some more videos to be uploaded. Thank you very much for your time.